Hi, everyone. Welcome to our easy English listening and speaking practice for beginners. Guess what? I'm saving money and feeling healthier than ever. Want to see how I changed my life step by step?
You'll love these easy tips, and they really work.
Hi, Tom. Welcome. Please come in.
Hi, Lina. Wow, you look so bright today. Did something good happen?
Yes, many good things. My life is healthier now.
Really? That's great news.
Please come inside. I want to show you everything.
Okay, I'm excited.
Look, Tom, I finally have a shoe rack.
Oh, very nice. So clean and organized.
Before, shoes were everywhere. I always tripped.
Really?
Yes, one time I almost fell like a cartoon character.
Good thing you didn't.
Now everything feels tidy.
I can see it. Clean home, clean mind.
Yes, I feel calm when I enter my home now. Ta-da! My living room.
Wow, it looks bigger.
I just changed the curtains and added a small lamp.
The lamp is cute. Very soft light.
Before, the room felt dark and sad.
And now?
Now it's bright and beautiful, like my new life.
Aw, that's sweet.
It's true. Light makes me feel happy.
I think your viewers will like this place too.
I hope so.
Oh, healthy snacks.
Yes, I prepared them this morning.
Can I try one?
Of course, apple or banana.
I'll take an apple. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Before, you only ate fast food, right?
Yes, burger, fries, bubble tea, repeat.
Dangerous lifestyle.
I know. Now I choose better food.
You're doing amazing.
And it's all because I saved money. Welcome to my new kitchen.
Whoa, it looks completely different.
I bought a small rice cooker, a blender, and some good pans.
Nice choices.
Now I cook breakfast every day.
What do you usually make?
Sometimes fried rice, sometimes smoothies.
Smoothies? Very healthy.
Yes, mango smoothie is my favorite.
Can you make one for me next time?
Sure, I'll make a big one.
Wow, so colorful.
Vegetables, chicken, eggs, yogurt, and fruit.
This looks like a fitness fridge.
No, just a healthy fridge.
Before, your fridge was empty, right?
Yeah, only water and instant noodles.
I remember.
Now I plan meals every Sunday.
That's very responsible.
Thank you. It feels good.
Aw, you have plants now.
Yes, this one is mint and this one is basil.
You named them?
Of course, they are my babies.
Okay, plant mom.
Every morning, I water them and say, "Good morning."
Do they answer you?
No, but they grow.
Plants make the air fresh. Good for your health.
And good for my heart, too.
Your bedroom looks so peaceful.
I bought new pillows and washed all my blankets.
Nice. Is your sleep better?
Yes, I sleep deeply now.
That helps your mood, too.
Yes, I don't feel tired in the morning anymore.
And no more back pain?
Much less. I feel young again.
You are young.
Thank you for saying that.
Wow, your study corner looks clean and simple.
I study English here every night.
Really? That's awesome.
Yes, I want to speak English like you one day.
You will. You're improving fast.
I watch videos, I write new words, and I practice.
That's the spirit.
Before, I didn't have space to study.
Now you have a perfect corner.
Yes, my little learning world.
Whoa! Lina is strong now.
No, only a little strong.
You exercise every day?
Yes, 15 minutes. Jump rope, stretching, and a little weight.
That's really good.
I feel more energy.
And your back pain is gone?
Yes, I'm healthier because of my new lifestyle.
Proud of you.
Thank you. It's fun, too.
You always carry that water bottle now.
Yes, I drink 2 liters every day.
Wow, that's a great habit.
My skin is clearer now.
I can see that. You're glowing.
Oh, stop it.
It's true.
Drinking water is easy, cheap, healthy, perfect.
And your bank account likes it too.
Yes, free health. This is my budget book.
You still write every day?
Yes, I write all my spending.
Do you follow the 50-30-20 rule?
Always.
Tell me again.
50% needs, 30% wants, and 20% savings.
Perfect.
Saving money changed my life.
I'm so happy to hear that.
I'm proud of myself, too. Tom, I want to say something.
Sure. What is it?
Thank you, truly.
Me?
Yes, you helped me change my life.
You did all the work, Lina.
But you showed me how to start.
I'm glad I could help.
I feel healthier, happier, richer, everything better.
You deserve it.
Thank you, Tom.
So, what's your next goal?
I want to save for a new mattress.
Good choice. A good mattress is important.
After that, maybe a small trip.
A trip? Where to?
Maybe the beach. I want to relax.
That sounds amazing.
But one step at a time.
Yes, slow and steady wins the race.
Exactly.
Lina, your home feels so fresh and healthy now.
Thank you. I feel proud of my progress.
Keep going. You're doing great.
I will. And I hope the viewers feel inspired too.
They will.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
If you like these tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy English and life tips.
And hit the bell so you won't miss our next video. Let's learn and have fun together.
Which healthy habit do you want to try first? Saving money, cooking, or exercising? Comment below. We want to know.